guys, yes, the rumor is true. I'm often called the whisperer, the bird whisperer of Logan. Look who we have here. Hi, Cucaracha. I didn't even know she was there, guys. Hi, Cucaracha. Her partner must be close and we have Rainy. So, yes, often I stop and talk to birds, guys. I like to, form relationships with birds. So, when I go to certain forests, even the train station parks, I do know some of the local birds of the area, some of the local bird families. You can see local cucaracha there. Oh, we can hear the girl. We can hear Petunia, guys. That's Petunia in the background, guys. That's how loud she is. She's the loudest. Anyway, guys.